With the loss of an arsenal bird followed by the destruction of their ballistic missile base, Erusea is running out of ways to counter. This is a great opportunity for the Osean army to bolster our power to eventually take down the Erusean capital of Farbante. The special long-range strategy is entering its final phase. Our objective is to attack and capture the Erusean Air Force Base in Cape Rainy in northern Erusea. This important base is at the forefront of our strategy to establish control of Farbante. Under the cover of night, our plan is that all squadrons will invade from the valley to the south and mount an air assault on the area. The enemy's observation field has eyes on the skies above the valley, so your altitude will need to be restricted. If you go over a certain altitude, the enemy could spot you, ending the mission in failure. Keep that in mind. Once you arrive, you are to take out the enemy's air defense forces as soon as possible and prepare for the support squadrons. When the air defense forces are neutralized, the helicopter squadron should arrive carrying Marines. The plan is to take control of the base. Getting through the valley is only half the job.
Strider Squadron, aircraft prep complete. You're cleared to taxi.
Beginning nighttime aerial refueling process. Be careful of reduced visibility. 1,500 meters to tanker. Bank left. Trigger, maintain your current approach. Too fast. Lower airspeed. 500 meters. You have permission to access the refueling tanker. 100. 50 meters. Excellent work, Trigger. Refueling initiated. Maintain your current position.
Strider 1, you have passed through waypoint 1. No weapons until you reach the enemy base. All aircraft, reduce altitude. We have altitude restrictions from here on out. Keep altitude below 600 meters. Good. Maintain your current course.
Pull up. Caution.
Searchlight up ahead. Watch for it.
Stay out of their sight.
Strider, Dazzler's 1. Our current ETA matches yours. Catch the bar guard. Can we secure the LZ quickly?
Pull up.
We'll get you down safe. I'm worried you're short on men.
Caution. Pull
Everyone
up.
here has already signed their wills.
Caution.
That ain't funny.
Never was good at jokes. Okay, falling wind.
Pull up.
Luck.
Understood.
Caution. Pull up.
Strider 1, you've passed through waypoint 2. The valley's about to get narrower. Be careful.
Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up.
When can we take on the final mission? I'm starting to get tired of all this.
Caution.
This is the last step, Count. We'll take the enemy base and use it as a bridgehead.
Watch yourselves out there. We're going to need all of you in Farbanti. Without Wiseman here, everybody wants to give orders like they're the company commander himself. And the best thing about Strider Squadron is our leader keeps his mouth shut.
Caution. 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 Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up.
Watch your speed.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
You've passed waypoint 3. You're coming up on the base. Posing radio silence.
Caution.
We won't be able to talk again until you're over the base.
Caution.
Continue to keep an eye on your altitude. There are plenty of dark spots that can sneak up on you.
Caution. Pull up. 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 Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. 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 Pull
You
up.
just passed through waypoint 4. Radio silence has been lifted. You're almost at the base.
We made it. That was quite the roller coaster ride.
Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination.
Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call. The longer it takes, the worse off we'll be. Hurry up. Finish them off.
All right, let's give him a beating.
Break! Break!
Strider 1, target acquired.
Enemies are attacking! The hell did they come from? They took out our leader's bird! Hurry or they'll roast us on the ground! Fire on the searchlights! I can't see where the enemies are coming from!
Looks like the enemy's air defenses are online. Guess they finally decided to wake up. Keep up the attack. The sooner we finish this thing, the better.
Caution. Pull up.
This is Basilisk 1. Arrived in landing now.
Roger that. If the enemy is still present in large numbers when our ground forces arrive, the mission will be a failure. Go help our allies.
Be quick. Gotta get on time when the base is free.
Your jokes haven't gotten any better.
Okay, that takes care of all the SAM sites.
That's the last of our anti-air guns. They've all been taken out.
Strider 1, target acquired.
Locked on bandit.
Broadcaster, hostiles are still near the LZ.
need to take out those enemies in the LZ. Strider 1, target destroyed.
This is Basilisk 1. Landing now. Trust your allies and keep moving. This base is ours for the taking.
Missile hit.
Wait for the base, Commander! What are you waiting for?
All enemy fighters down.
I feel their pain, I really do. But this is war.
You engage the enemy reinforcements. Requesting immediate close air support.
Copy that. We'll send some your way.
Pizza guy's in trouble. Let's help him out.
It's alright. Those two Osean big shots will take care of them for us.
Target eliminated. Great work.
Okay, that attack just took out the enemy from the front line. The way ahead is cleared up. You have our thanks.
Give me a damage report. We've suffered heavy losses. This is more than a surprise attack.
Picking up an enemy squadron. It must be the reinforcements they called in.
We've lost at least one leader. It's the one with the 3 scratches.
Emergency! See the enemy reinforcements? They're stopping us! We can't do anything about their air power. We need support.
Enemy missile cruising. Break it!
We've still got 3 enemy fighters left. It's not over yet.
Bandit in my sight. Lock on.
2 remaining.
Mark 2.
Missile. Missile.
Ambush. Stay calm. Reform the race.
Missile.
Broadcaster. Requesting close air support.
Strider squadron, enemy reinforcements. Get some goddamn support there now.
Missile.
Enemy numbers are small. Don't give in. Fight until the very end.
One last enemy fighter.
This is 2-2. We're stuck. We won't be able to capture the base at this rate.
Your head's down. 3 strikes will take care of the enemy.
Missile.
That's it. We pick up those 2. Force our way inside the facility.
An enemy is behind you.
Missile.
Listen to me. Breaking.
Strider 1's down. Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination.
Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call. The longer it takes, the worse off we'll be. Hurry up. Finish them off.
All right, let's give him a beating. Target is eliminated.
Caution. Pull up. Caution.
Strider 1, locked on target.
Enemy start attacking. Where the hell did they come from? Fire up the searchlight. I can't see where the enemies are coming from.
It looks like the enemy's air defenses are online. I guess they finally decided to wake up. Keep up the attack. The sooner we finish this thing, the better. Okay, that takes care of all the SAM sites.
That's the last of our anti-air guns. They've all been taken out. This is Basilisk 1. Arrived at the AO. Landing now.
Roger that. If the enemy is still present in large numbers by ground forces around, the mission will be a failure. Go help our allies.
Be quick. Got a little more time. Base is free.
Your jokes haven't gotten any better.
Watch this. Broadcaster. Hostiles are still near the LZ. Can't make our approach.
Multiple helicopters spotted. Do you have a visual on them? Strider 1, I need you to take out those enemies in the LZ.
Breaking away. I'm taking fire, but I can still fight.
All enemy fighters down.
I feel their pain, I really do. But this is war.
Target acquired. Strider 1, target destroyed.
Fast was one. Landing down. Trust your allies and keep moving. This base is ours for the taking. Wait the base, Commander! What are you waiting for? We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. Requesting immediate close air support.
Copy that. We'll send some your way.
Pizza guy's in trouble. Let's help him out.
It's all right. Those two Osea big shots will take care of them for us.
Target eliminated. Great work.
Okay, that attack just took out the enemies on the front line. The way ahead is cleared up. You have our back.
Give me a damage report. We've suffered heavy losses. This is more than a surprise attack.
Picking up an enemy squadron. It must be the reinforcements they called in.
We've confirmed at least one leader. It's the one with the 3 scratches. Locked on bandit. Attacking. Lock 2.
Open your eyes. Check 6.
Emergency! The enemy reinforcements are stopping us! We can't do anything about their air power. We need support.
Still got 3 enemy fighters left. It's not over yet. 2 remaining.
Enemy missile. Breaking. Ambush. Stay calm. Reform the ranks. Broadcaster requesting close air support.
Strider squadron, enemy reinforcements. Get some goddamn support there now.
Enemy numbers are small. Don't give in. Fight until the very end.
One last enemy fighter.
Strider 2. Punch 2. Trigger has destroyed the target.
That's it. We think of those two. Force our way inside the facility.
Target's destruction confirmed. That air support was right on the money.
Pushing the enemy on their heels.
Okay. Start running on the count of 3.
Target acquired.
We're under attack! Lead the enemy aircraft to the LRSFC.
Strider 1, missile launched.
Great. I get to finally send my boys in to ring the doorbell. There's still quite a few enemies holed up in there. However, we can't afford to wait any longer.
Caution.
Begin the assault. If anyone resists, kill them. Contact! 2 o'clock! Go! Go! Fire!
Car, tear down that barricade.
How'd it go?
This is Basilisk 1. The base is ours. We have control of all major functions.
Glad the pizza was on time.
Roger that, Basilisk 1. Mission accomplished.
All prisoners of war will be treated in accordance with international law. We've even brought pizza.
Caution. Pull up.
Looks like they can shred those wills.
I'm already getting an earful from the men over the needless paperwork.
No joke.
Okay, go ahead and begin your approach. Go to the flight control.
Roger that.
Strider 1, this is Basilisk. The runway is clear. You have permission to land. The party is on as soon as you get here. Reduce your speed. Turn right. 1,500 meters to the runway. You are right on course. Maintain current heading. Right on the money, Strider 1. Strider 1 has landed. Let's go and greet him.
Strider.
Excellent work on the night raid. Submarines have arrived from the Ocean mainland and are refueling. This base will serve as a frontline platform for our mission to take Farbanti. We're almost at the end of this operation.